The trio was well known. He wrote about the trio in overseas magazines and things. And I said to him, what was our repertoire? And he mentioned a few, and I want Jonathan and Paul to come and fall in here. And let's busk through some of those numbers. And the other one was in a little Spanish town. And I think we can do those too. We'll worry about that later. How does it go? Okay.
Nico's the first one.
1, 2, 3, 4.